জামিয়া আহমদিয়া সুন্নিয়ার ছাত্র কত সুন্দর করে ইংরেজি ভাষায় কথা বলতে পারে। আল্লাহ তার হায়াতে বরকত দান করুক এবং দিন প্রচারে এই ভাষাকে কাজে লাগানোর তৌফিক দান করুক।
Allama Tayyib Shah rahmatullahi alayhi was an awlad Rasul who was the 37th descendant of Imam Hussain radiallahu ta'ala anhu. He was born in 1916 in a religious family in Shitara Sharif, Pakistan. His father is Awlad Rasul Allama Sayyid Ahmad Shah Sirikudi rahmatullahi alayhi, who was a great Islamic scholar and the founder of Jamia Ahmadiyya Sunniya Aliyah Kamil Madrasa. Dear brothers, Allama Sayyid Muhammad Tayyib Shah rahmatullahi alayhi was not only an Islamic scholar, but also he was a Hafiz al-Quran, Qari, a spiritual person, Sufi, teacher, dreamer, missionary as well. And the surprising thing is, at the age of 11, he became Hafiz al-Quran. After that, he wanted to take higher education about tafsir, fiqh, usul al-fiqh, tasawwuf. That's why he took the deep knowledge of tafsir and hadith from one of the greatest Islamic scholars and the best hadith researcher of Allama Sardar Ahmad Lailpuri rahmatullahi alayhi. Allama Tayyib Shah rahmatullahi alayhi came to Bangladesh for the first time in 1942. In that year, he led recitational prayer in Amdurkallah Shahi Jama Masjid. And he came for the second time in 1958. At that year, he took Khilafat from his father. Sayyid Muhammad Tayyib Shah rahmatullahi alayhi contributed in many sectors, such as he established many institutions. Because his father, there are the sayings of his father says, "Kaam karo, Islam ko bachao, Deen ko bachao, sacha alim taiyar karo." That means work, save Islam, save religion, and make true Islamic scholars. Dear brothers, just look at his sayings. He says, "Kaam karo, Islam ko bachao, Deen ko bachao, sacha alim taiyar karo." So we know that to save Islam, to save religion, must need a true Islamic scholars, must need a true ulama. And to make true ulama, to make true Islamic scholars, must need a institution, must need Islamic institutions like Jamia Ahmadiyya Sunniya, like Dhaka Qadri Aliyah, like Halisha Tayyibiyya Tahiriyya. That's why in 1968 he founded Dhaka Qadri Aliyah. In 1975 he established Halisha Tayyibiyya Tahiriyya. Dear brothers, just note it. Jamia Ahmadiyya Sunniya has become a famous institution under his leadership. And Allama Tayyib Shah rahmatullahi founded an organization in 1986 named Gausiya Committee Bangladesh that is playing a very significant role in social activities. And it's working for tariqat, spreading Sunniyat in all over the country and out of the country as well. Dear brothers, Gausiya Committee Bangladesh is not like others. It's totally different. It's totally exceptional. It's totally exceptional made by Allama Tayyib Shah rahmatullahi alayhi. But here one question should be arised. In spite of having Anjuman Rahmani Ahmadiyya, in spite of having Jamia Committee, where Allama Tayyib Shah rahmatullahi alayhi founded Gausiya Committee Bangladesh, dear brothers, they are Awlad Rasul. They know well what may needed in any certain time, what may needed in any given time. As he always thinking about the welfare of humanity, that's why he founded a humanitarian organization that we know as Gausiya Committee Bangladesh. Dear brothers, how humanitarian organization is Gausiya Committee Bangladesh? If we look at the situation of coronavirus, if we look at the situation of the flood that happened in Sylhet division, if we look at the blast that happened in Sitagundu, we can easily get their contribution, their humanity. The people, the member of Gausiya Committee Bangladesh, they help the people from all walks of life by providing free ambulance service, service and free oxygen. That's why Tawsiyah Committee Bangladesh, from coronavirus situation to today, they provide 17,000 people burial assistance. They provide 59,000 people free oxygen service. They provide 20,000 people free ambulance service. Is it possible? I think and I believe that it has been possible only for Tawsiyah Committee Bangladesh, and it's not possible for any other organization. And I also believe that this is one of the miracle of Allama Tayyib Shah rahmatullahi alayhi. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala keep this organization for ages. Amin ya Rabbal Alameen. Wa akhir da'wana alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.